What's good, YouTube? Welcome to the Ballers Club. It's your boy BallOrFallBird, the one and only Mr. Ballofall, the one and only Mr. Do It All, the one and only Mr. Everything Under the Sun will get done because your boy is blessed beyond, man. Listen, I want to go ahead and get right into today's topic, right into the topic of this video. And obviously, y'all see it from the title, but the first thing that we always have to do is make sure that we sharpen our axe. And sharpen our axe can be sharpen our axe in AXE or sharpen our axe in ACTS. Sharpen our axe. All right. So the reason why I say this, the reason why I think about this, is because y'all know that, when we're chasing our life's purpose, when we're trying to get on the course to chasing our life's purpose, whenever we're trying to hit a goal, whenever we're trying to, achieve something that we really want to achieve in our life, y'all know I have the three most important words, which is be, do, have. And the very first word is be. So sharpening your axe, in a sense, however you want to say axe, is being who you need to be. And the reason why I wanted to talk about this, the reason why this video came to mind, and honestly this video did not come from me. This video came from my brother-in-law, Frank. He put out a post on LinkedIn, and he put that post out on LinkedIn, and within that post he also reminded me last night of, I forgot exactly who made the quote, so don't get me wrong. I mean, don't misconstrue everything. But the quote was, if I had 6 hours to chop down a tree, I would spend the first 4 sharpening the axe. And the reason why I'm glad that he reminded me, the reason why I'm glad that he asked me to, make a video on that, is because a lot of times we won't prepare ourselves. We won't become who we need to become so that we can achieve the things that we want to achieve. And the reason why I say this, the reason why I mention this, is because if I know that my job, let's just say the job at hand within this specific example is chopping down a tree. If I know that my job is to chop down the tree, it don't matter how strong I am. It don't matter how big, how much muscles I got, all this, that, and the third. If my axe ain't sharp, the number one tool that I have to use is my axe. So like with us in achieving our purpose, the number one tool that we have is ourself, our way of being, our consciousness, our brain, our attitude towards the entire situation of chasing our purpose. So when you're trying to, within this example, chop down this tree, it don't matter how strong I am. If the axe is dull, if the axe is rounded off, we never gonna make the proper cut inside of this wood. So now we're gonna be having to hit this tree, beat this tree longer than what we have to do. And that's the same thing within our lives. If we don't sharpen our axe first, if we don't sharpen our attitude, our axe, ACTS, if we don't sharpen ourselves, we won't be able to achieve the things that sometimes it may completely take you off of achieving the thing that you want to achieve in the first place, because now you don't have the proper tools. If I don't have a sharp axe, and imagine trying to chop down a tree with a baseball bat. Imagine trying to chop down a tree with a baseball bat. It'll never happen. That bat will break first. That bat will break first. It don't matter what kind of bat you use. The bat will break first, or you will never achieve the actual goal at hand, which is knocking the tree down. So I say these things and I think about this, and I'm so glad that, like I said, that my brother-in-law gave me this video topic to talk about, because sharpening the axe, sharpening your act, sharpening the axe in hand is us sharpening ourselves, becoming mentally who we need to be. If I want to lose 50 pounds, it don't matter how much working out I do if I don't have a great diet. But guess what? I can't maintain that diet if I can't become the person that I need to become, to tell myself, okay, I don't need this sweets. I don't need this soda, whatever the case may be. So within doing all of that, within understanding all of that, you have to realize that sharpening your axe is the first and most important priority. Like the quote said, if I have 6 hours to chop down a tree, I'll spend the first 4 sharpening my axe. Because like I said, us in every situation, we are the tool. us, our brain, our consciousness, our way of being, our attitude towards the situation of chasing our purpose is our acts within the situation. If I don't have the right attitude when I'm working, my dream job, it'll eventually be taken away from me. If I don't have the right confidence within whatever, let's just say I'm an NBA basketball player. What NBA basketball player is scared to shoot? Now, obviously you can probably name a few, or it may be biased or whatever the case may be, but I'm just saying this to say, if I don't have the confidence to shoot, that's something that I need to be building on right now. I need to gain the confidence. I need to know, okay, you know what? I miss 100% of the shots I don't take. Okay, if I never put the shot up, like I never have a chance at scoring. If I never put the shot up, I might as well just stay on the bench. You see what I'm saying? So like, I appreciate my brother-in-law for giving me this topic. Frank, I'm gonna make sure I send you this video, but thank you for this topic. But nonetheless, man, like, sharpen your axe, sharpen yourself, become a better version of yourself, become the version of yourself that you know that you need to become for you to be able to achieve whatever it is that you're trying to achieve. Like I always say, don't go through life blind. Find a mentor, find somebody to talk to, find somebody that's in the position that you want, but displays, integrity, all the things that are good to, have within that position. You don't want to just, follow somebody that, has all the glitz and the glamour, but they're not a good person at heart. Follow the person that got all the glitz and the glamour and they're a good person. Follow the person with all the glitz and the glamour and they believe in God, whatever the case may be. Like, go follow that person. Go try to be like that person. Go study that person. Figure out who they are at their core. Figure out who they are. Like, man, it's so many, like, Kobe Bryant is my favorite basketball player outside of Michael Jordan, but, two in the same in a sense. But Kobe Bryant, man, we're so lucky to have so many interviews and all, documentaries on who Kobe Bryant really was, because him at the core, think about it, it's so many people that were more talented than Kobe Bryant when he was coming out of high school. Or if you don't know his not coming out of high school, but, just growing up. There's so many people, and it's for all of us. We're never the most talented person on this earth. There's always somebody that's going to be more talented, more pretty, more handsome, bigger, stronger, faster, whatever the case may be, smarter. And our work ethic, our determination, our, way of being is what's going to help us get to where we need to be and want to be. So I just say all this, man, to make sure that I, help y'all emphasize and help, emphasize the importance of being who you need to be, becoming who you need to become, and sharpening your axe. Your AXE, your ACTS, man. If y'all still watching this video right now, man, comment a number 7 in the chat, man. Comment a number 7 down in the comments. Like the video. Share the video, man. If I'm helping change your life, I'm helping change your perspective, whatever the case may be, man. I appreciate everyone in the BallOrFall family, dog. Like, y'all don't understand, like, when we become the person that we need to become, when we start doing the things that we need to do, and when we be who we need to be, dog, like, bro, the limits of this world are no longer placed on us. The limits of this world are no longer placed on us. It's placed on everybody else that will not become who they need to become so that they can achieve the purpose that they have for themselves. And like I said, it's never to compare. It's never to, judge anybody else. It's just to say, like, man, like, we're different. We're meant to be different. If you're in the BallOrFall family, we're meant to be different. If you're watching this video right now, you are now a part of the BallOrFall family. Hit that subscribe button. Comment down below the number 7 or the phrase ball or fall, man, because that's what we're trying to do in life. We're trying to ball or we're trying to fall. And we're not trying to fall. So that's really just to say, like, whenever we do fall, we get back up. But, man, like I said, man, be who you need to be, sharpen your axe, man, and get the job done, dog. Like, that's all I really got to say for today, man. I appreciate y'all for coming to the Balls Club today, man. It's your boy BallOrFallBird, the one and only Mr. BallOrFall, the one and only Mr. Do It All, the one and only Mr. Everything Under the Sun Will Get Done, because your boy is best beyond, man. And I'll see y'all in the next video.